One of the biggest mistakes home buyers make without even realizing it happens before they walk through this front door. And I've had it happen to me personally, and I still see it happening today. Buyers walk into model homes like this without their own representation. And today I'm going to show you why that matters. I'm Sherry Hill with eXp Realty, and I help buyers relocate, explore new construction, and move with confidence here in the high desert. Today, we're touring the Austin model by Hovnanian Homes here at the Estates at Silverwood Community in Hesperia, California. This is a master planned community featuring 5 different floor plans, all single-story homes, up to about 2,900 square feet, with up to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 3.5 bathrooms, and 3 car garages. Right as you walk in, you're greeted by this really nice entryway. You've got this long hallway leading into the main living area, but right here, you're stopped by this flex space. They have it set up as a home office with a little seating area, and honestly, this is a really great size. I love the doors on this too. It just gives it a more elevated feel. This could easily be an office, a second living space, playroom, whatever fits your lifestyle. Now walking into the kitchen, this kitchen is beautiful. I love the wood cabinetry color, the floating shelves, the backsplash, and that hood range. Everything just flows really well together. The lighting in here is done really nicely too. You've got, of course, the double ovens, tons of cabinet space, and a really open layout. And back here, you've got the larger pantry tucked away in its own hallway, which is always a plus. Now coming back here, this is where most of the bedrooms are located. You've got kind of a separate entry into this space, which I really like. There's a storage closet here. And then this little living room set up with its own TV. Such a great bonus space. And right back here, you have a bedroom with its own bathroom. This could easily work as a multiple generational setup, a guest suite, or even just for older kids. And I love that this bathroom has access to the backyard. So if you ever wanted to add a pool, you've got direct access to a bathroom without people running through your house. And we all know how that goes. Coming back through here, sneaking through the kitchen, you got another hallway leading toward the garage. And more storage here, perfect for coats or anything when you come in. Another bedroom, and I love how spacious these bedrooms are. The windows bring in a lot of natural light, and the closets have great storage. And then right here, you've got the Jack and Jill bathroom. You can access it from both bedrooms. And I really like how the shower and toilet are separate from the sink area, because if you have kids, you already know how that goes in the mornings. We can appreciate the small things, right? Now, something the builder actually shared with me, the Hovnanian offers what they call their looks design interiors, which where everything is already curated for you. So instead of trying to figure everything out on your own, you can choose from lifestyles like the farmhouse, classic, loft, or elements, and all of the finishes, from the cabinets to the lighting, and just design it to flow together. And that's why this kitchen looks so put together. But just keep in mind, what you're seeing here is most likely upgraded. The whole space opens right into your living room and dining area, which is perfect for family gatherings. I love the open concept, the beams up top too. It just feels really inviting. You've got plenty of seating around the island. And then tucked away back here, you have your primary suite. I love that it's separate from the rest of the home. It gives you that privacy. The room has great lighting, plenty of space, and then the bathroom. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. That floating bathtub right there, that is typically an upgrade, but how can you go wrong with that? Look how beautiful this is. The standard options are usually more of a built-in tub and shower combination, but when you go through their design process, this is where you can really elevate your space and make it feel more custom. I love the double vanities. I love how the toilet room is tucked back here. We all know how they need the privacy. And I just am really loving the decorations here. I love how they give you just that visual concept of what it can really look like. Model homes like this are designed to show you what's possible, not always what's included. So things like the lighting, cabinetry, backsplash, appliances, even features like those floating shelves are often upgrades. And that's why it's really important to understand what comes standard versus what you're adding on, because that's going to affect that final price. All right, let's finish out the rest of the home. You got this big laundry room right across from the kitchen, which is super convenient. A huge closet here, which means more storage. And then this space leading into the garage. This is set up as a mudroom. And you even have a small bathroom here, perfect when the kids come running in. Straight to the kitchen for a snack. We all know how that goes. Okay, High Desert, if you are thinking about buying a new construction home, please do not go tour these model homes alone for your first time. I will go with you, guide you through the process, and make sure you're fully taken care of every step of the way. If you have questions or you're thinking about touring homes like this, reach out to me, Sherry Hill with eXp Realty. All of my information is in the description below. And if you want to stay up to date with everything happening right here in the High Desert, make sure to like and subscribe. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.